Matadors. Now these guys are just right out there on the edge, and you said, what do you do? Then they're just unleashing their entire potential, power and speed, all in one display for our pleasure. And look how tight they are as they get to the top of that loop. Steve's nose tucked right under the tail, of course. Lots of signature manoeuvres, Lee found. Many years ago, they helped launch the Disney film, they were subtitled Rusty, or Dusty, I think it was, at Red Slinger many years ago. I spent some of you kids out there have seen that movie, and this display for another seaside shops around the UK, and it was just terrific. And stand by for what is one of their signature moves, the slide. As they get up to the top, they hold the aircraft there, put in a boot of rudder right now, and then they just slide the aircraft across the sky. It is absolutely unique and silent. That is one of the things that you do with a really top-class aircraft. This is an XA-41, and superb flying skills.
You don't see that anywhere else.
You don't see it very often. Gerald Cooper's up there with the best, and of course the two-star guys are pretty cool at that as well. Holding the aircraft now on the residual power left, and just letting the aircraft tumble down through the sky. The whole aircraft here has got immense strength. It ensures the pilot can focus completely on the complexities of the flying stop and stop accurately right up to 174 knots. They made their debut way back around 2003-04 and were a huge success. Always carrying their aircraft. Initially formed in 1994 as the Sukhoi duo to show off the tremendous capabilities of the Russian-built S-26. Paul's been the team leader from the start, but Steve displays on his own. But as a pair, they are untouchable. Both performed all over the world, not just with Red Bull, but in other shows right across Europe, China, Japan, and the Middle East. They've entered the World Grand Prix Series and been in all the aerobatic competitions with both solo and formation categories. Numerous silver and gold medals to their credit, as well as, of course, Red Bull Air Race Championships as well. Started out in the mid-80s with flying in Ultima Pits, went on to Yak 50s and an extra 300s, and has flown most of the warbirds in the UK, and will be delighting us again later on, not just with their own formation of the Heart, the second of the day, but also when they come back to fly the Spitfire pair. They spent numerous years flying with vintage aircraft as well. And now really showing this aircraft off as Paul spears the Heart, Steve letting himself go now and rip-roaring through the sky with this outstanding aircraft. It's got a maximum aileron deflection right through from 50 to over 220 knots, with just a vast amount of roll, regardless of the speed or roll combinations, with roll rates of 180 degrees and 50 knots and up to 450 degrees a second and 225 knots. An absolutely outstanding machine, this. You've just seen how big that wing is. It's got huge aileron and deflection surfaces on it as well. But the power of the engine enabling it to almost hover in the sky. Not just aerobatic though, it's a very nice cruising aircraft. It's up to 200 knots and can get lift you and your bags very comfortably to a conch formation. Any destination you may wish to choose. It's got a massive baggage bay of 22 pounds, which is pretty good. Letting it rotate in a gyroscopic manoeuvre right at the top of the tower. Of smoke there. The smoke, of course, all environmentally friendly stuff. You don't need to worry too much about this. It's all essentially baby oil. A lovely climbing turn, putting in rolls as he climbs around there. Yep. And again, just completing that circle, rolling circle. Now, what would this look like in your house? Well, probably if you got inside the washing machine and snake again, every time they pull up, the G comes on, they grunt and groan a bit to stress all the muscles around the stomach and the thighs to stop the blood rushing down to their feet. And putting in a little roll to the left. And there you go, that's Paul giving the very cool commands there. Stand by for the and there it is, electrifying stuff. Top of their head, a bit of negative G, very, very unpleasant. You heard that there, so he's now calling him back into line of stern. Again, all these maneuvers. Lovely big arcing maneuvers, and all the time steam absolutely glued to the tail of Paul's aircraft. Magnificent stuff. And don't forget, you're watching two of the foremost most competitive aerobatics and also Red Bull race guys in the world. If you're enjoying this, then you must stay right to the end to see them flying a pair of Spitfires as well. Putting in now their trademark slides, they just put in a big boot full of rudder and they skid the aircraft across the sky instead of completing the loop. Now they pull around and complete the manoeuvre. Now they're pushing into an outside turn, and this is seriously unpleasant as the blood now pushing hard over the top of their heads. You see the undercarriage pointing up to the sky. Paul Bonham and Steve Jones, the Red Bull Matadors. Slightly crazy formation because they get bored really quickly and don't like flying around.